Hey everyone, it's Bri. I'm back with another scrapbook process video for the Hip Kit Club design team. And today is Product Focus Wednesday, and we are going to be focusing on these faux wood veneer chipboard stickers. And I was super inspired by the geometric heart shape sticker on that sheet that I pulled out the Kaleidoscope die set from the January 2022 kits, and I die cut it out several times. Our additional design team prompt for today was to use 5 different pattern papers. So of course I chose, I think maybe 6 or 7 different ones. Then I used the B side on a couple of them. Now what I did is I die cut them out and I arranged them on my page just randomly. I just wanted them to be like a background for my entire layout. So I just adhered all of those on, and now I'm going to go ahead and map my photo using a few pocket life cards. I wanted, since our main focus was the faux wood veneers, I wanted them to be like the star of the show since we're focusing on them, but I didn't want all of my geometric heart die cuts to take away from them. So that's why I used them as a base, and now I'm going to build on top of them using those faux wood veneer pieces. So I've got my photo laid down, and then I'm going to take the wood veneer geometric heart, and then I'm going to pop it up on some foam just to make it pop out a little bit more. And I like that it's so neutral on top of all of that gorgeous color. Now, if you didn't know, the January 2022 kits are all exclusive with this gorgeous Kaleidoscope line, and it is absolutely stunning. The colors, the icons, the phrases, it's just such a dream kit to work with, and I had so much fun with this layout. So now I worked on my title. I pulled in some alphas, and my title is Cheers to 2022. I really wanted to use that 2022 sticker from the faux wood veneer sheet, so I incorporated that into my title. So I also pulled out some of the exclusive ephemera from the main kit, and I added like a little subtitle that says "So Fresh." And now I'm just going through and adding more of those faux wood veneer pieces. I've got like a little floral design, I've got a rainbow, I've got another geometric heart with silver foiling. I added one little banner sign that says "Believe in Yourself," and I popped that up on some foam. I added some hearts. Now I'm just going through adding little bits here and there. I added a little ephemera piece that says "Put aside your fears and dream." I adhered that little orange piece right above my title that says "Enjoy every moment." And I'm just tucking in some puffy stickers here and there, just creating some clusters. This is, like I've said before, this is like my favorite part of a layout, is creating embellishment clusters. And so I also pulled in some of that exclusive floral ephemera. I couldn't help it. I love to add little bits of floral pieces here and there. And off camera, I do add some tangled thread in 3 spots around my page just to add some interest, additional color, and some texture. But that was it. It wasn't too much to this layout. I think the only thing that took me a little bit of time was die cutting all of my geometric hearts. But other than that, this layout came together so quickly, and I'm just finishing it off with some of these sequin puffy stickers, and that's it. I love the pops of the faux wood veneer throughout my page. It's a real nice, it breaks up all of that color, but it still pops because, I popped some up on foam, and I have them scattered around the page where it makes your eye just travel around so you can see all the fun elements. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.